As you may already know, outsourcing of services is the hiring of a company that provides such services to carry out specific tasks within the contracting company's production process. So, in this relationship, the contracting company ends up in a position to demand that the workers assigned to perform the service have proper qualifications. And Drake comes in to help with that. Through this communication that will provide integration via a system where the client sends service requests, which are received here in the service desk. This menu item is what's being displayed here. And the supplier will assign workers, link requested documents, and send back the completed request. So this integration that Drake provides facilitates communication between the supplier and the client. On this service desk screen, what we see are the codes of the requests. We have here the name of the company that made the request. It's the name of our test company. We enter here into the accreditation screen. The presentation test, it accepted accreditation. And this company sent a request to our fictitious company here. Here's a brief summary of what the service is, and here's the status of the service. During the service process, it goes through several stages. It starts in the editing state, moves to invalidation, and when you send the data back to the client, and when everything is correct, it's marked as completed. So, let's enter a request here, and right at the top, we have descriptive information about the service. What's marked in red here is entirely the responsibility of the contracting client. Here we see the status of the request. It's in the first state, which is editing. This button reloads the page. This one sends back to the client the completed request with the workers and documents, and here it returns to the listing we were on. It's back. I'll enter again. Only one field here is not the client's responsibility, but it's yours, as the supplying company, which is the activity field. When you select the activity here, what will be displayed is the list of activities that the company performs. And you should select the one that relates to the service provided. So let's put maintenance here because the service description indicates maintenance in the warehouse. So let's define that activity here. Remember that this list of activities is registered here in the company activities registration. So it was maintenance that we selected. Then back to the screen. This is the common header for any request. In the next two classes, we'll see how we handle a common request and how we handle a request that was linked to a shipment.